In front of me is Realme GT6 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on the microphone icon at the top right corner. If you can't see it, you need to select this gear one first. Select voice typing and click on this switcher next to use voice typing to activate it. Then go back to your keyboard and click on no visible microphone. If you never used it before, hit while using the app in the pop-up and start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you want to stop, just stop talking for a second or tap on the same microphone again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!